I was asked to make a video to show how to put version 3 of the face shield together. And version 3 tries to address the concerns of comfort, strength, distance to the head, and the rigidity, following Inksmith and Peter Jensen's design. So we still have the same number of parts. I left the face shield cover on, which probably should be left on until you're ready to deploy. The stiffener goes in first on the inside, like so. The forehead strap then goes in. The second part is to put the forehead strap through, and then add the tensioner strap. Most people will be around the 4th or 5th hole. Once you have one side on, slip that strap to tension it into this second slot. That's a tight fit. Now I would wrap this around my head to find out where it fit exactly, and then put the other side on. I'm in hole 4 here. And again, slip that into the strap, into the hole, the second slot in the front, and now it's ready to go. And that will keep it stiff and far away from the head.